and girls, today I'm going to show you how to play number words, match them up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our envelope and we are going to get our notebook to write in. So I'm going to open up my envelope and I'm going to take my cards out. And my job is to figure out how to match the words to the number in standard form. So I see this says 20, and I know that's got really bad glare, but that does say 20 as well. Then I'm going to have 19 and 19, 2 and 2, 1 and 1. When I'm done matching up all of my cards, I'm going to go in my notebook. I'm going to write the title of my game, number words, and I'm going to write the number in standard form, and I'm going to write the number in word form. Then I'm going to write the next number in standard form, then I'm going to write the number in word form. Then I'm going to write the number in standard form, and then I'm going to write the number in word form. You have to write at least 5 of the numbers in both standard form and word form. Let your teacher know if you have questions.